Országház, also known as the Hungarian Parliament Building, is the seat of the National Assembly of Hungary. It is located in Budapest on the banks of the Danube River and is one of the most iconic buildings in Hungary. The construction of the building started in 1885 and it was completed in 1902, taking nearly 20 years to finish. The building was designed by Hungarian architect Imre Steindl in the Gothic revival style. It features a symmetrical facade with a central dome, 2 large parliament halls, and several smaller rooms for committee meetings and administrative offices. The building's interior is decorated with Hungarian folk motifs, intricate frescoes, and stained glass windows. The primary function is to house the National Assembly of Hungary. The National Assembly is the legislative branch of the Hungarian government, responsible for passing laws and overseeing the actions of the executive branch. The Országház is also a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world to admire its stunning architecture and learn about Hungarian politics and history. It was constructed during a period of significant political change in Hungary. The country had recently gained independence from the Austro-Hungarian Empire and was rapidly modernizing its political and social institutions. The building was intended to be a symbol of Hungary's newfound independence and democracy, as well as a showcase of its cultural heritage.